Hello and welcome to Python Built-in Functions. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about the ABS function. I'm Mike Driscoll, and I'm just going to walk you through it. So, what does the ABS function do anyway? Well, according to the documentation, it will return the absolute value of a number. The argument could be an integer, a floating point number, or an object implementing ABS. If the argument is a complex number, its magnitude is returned. This is pretty much copied and pasted directly from the built-in functions documentation. But what is an absolute value anyway? Well, according to the Davenport University's webpage, the absolute value, or modulus, x, of a real number x is the non-negative value of x without regard to its sign. For more information, we could jump over to Wikipedia's absolute value, which has a little bit more complex definition. I'm not going to read it here, but if you go to Wikipedia, you can see that they have different definitions. I think one of the better ones that I saw, and it's somewhere buried in here, but basically it said that on the number line, the value is basically the positive value of the value that you see on the screen. So if I have like a -5 on the number line, you would jump over to the +5. You just basically remove the negative from the front of your integer or floating point number. So let's take a look at a couple of uses of the ABS function. If you run it on a positive integer, it will return a positive integer back. If you run ABS on like -7, you can see that you'll get a +7 back. The same thing applies with positive and negative floats. So if I run it on a positive float, I get a positive float back, no change here. And if I run it on a negative floating point number, I will get a positive floating point number back. Well, there you have it. That's how you use the ABS function in Python. See you next time.